Oops, gotta turn my air conditioning off. So I came home today and my heat was on 90 degrees and I'm like, I can't breathe, so I have my air conditioner on in November because of that. So, anyways. Hello, everyone. I almost feel ashamed because it do be seeming like Boxycharms are the only videos that I film anymore. I promise I'm trying to get better, but this is a Boxycharm video, so let me focus on that. This is going to be our November Boxycharm. I opened it in a really weird way because I didn't have scissors, so I'm gonna whip it out. Ooh, there's a little something, something. Okay. We had a couple of coupons in this box. I saw a Natasha Denona 25% off thing, which is pretty good because that's an expensive brand. So I'm going to start with the eyes. So I did take a little peek, so I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or concealer. Normally I'll put a concealer on my lid because I saw that there was an eyeshadow primer. So this is the Gerard Cosmetics Pero Primo Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base, water-based. And this is $15. And it's a cute little packaging. I hope that the lighting is okay. I'm really sorry if it's not. I am doing my best. So I'm going to give it a little shake because I have noticed that sometimes primers will separate a little bit in the bottle and sometimes liquid can shoot out. I'm going to put a little bit of this on a flat brush and it just looks like a concealer color. It's not clear. Sometimes primers can be clear. Okay, it's a pretty liquidy one. It's not extremely thick, which is a little suspicious. Oh. It actually seems to be, I can feel it thickening up underneath my brush or drying, which is good because you want your eyeshadow primer to be super tacky. Oh yeah, it's definitely tacking up. Okay. That actually did a really good job. And I hope you guys know I'm not like judging the product or anything. I'm just giving you my first impression all the way through. So if my first impression was that it was really watery and then it thickened up, then it was really watery, then it thickened up. And this is actually, it's really thickening up and like getting sticky, which is exactly what we want. And it gives such a good, wow, it gives such a good coverage to the eye. And this happens to match my skin perfectly right now. So, wow, I'm going to give it like a couple seconds just to dry because I can feel it wet on my eye. It looks so good. I never use eyeshadow primer. I've just never been the kind of person that wants to use eyeshadow primer, but it's a very obvious, oops. Did you say I just scraped my foundation right off my face? You can see the obvious difference between the eyeshadow primer and the concealer or foundation that I would normally put on my eyes. This is a lot more pigmented. So we're going to move on to the eyes, which is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, which is a 5-pan palette. Everyday warm toned eye pigments that Natasha uses from her favorite palettes. Okay, so they're not new shades. They took them from other palettes. This is $48. So 48 plus 15 is 50, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, what? 58, 9, 10, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm terrible. I'm the worst. Oh dear Lord. Anyways, around 65 and we only paid $25 for the box, so we're already at a good deal. Let me give you a close-up of what the palette looks like. It's actually really pretty. I don't think I've ever really used Natasha Denona palettes, to be quite honest with you. But I heard that they're good. So I'm going to go in with this top shade here. It's like a nice cream. And I'm going to kind of just tap this all over, even though we already primed. It's like instinct for me to do this. And I can actually feel that primer on my lid through my brush. And it's very apparent, which is good. I just got my lashes done. I'm about to get fallout all over them. I'll have to suck it up. There's a decent amount of fallout. I'm going to go in with this really pretty taupey color here. They are very natural, like, and that's, ooh, wow. Pigment, hello. Wow. Oh my gosh, very pigmented. And I can really feel it sticking. I can really feel it sticking to my, my primer. I'll have to start using eyeshadow primer more often. Wow. I lost my train of thought. Oh, I think I was complimenting like how natural the colors are, but holy smokes, so pigmented and beautiful. I'm going to take the same exact brush with this, is almost like a peachy nude, and I'm going to go over top of it, and really it's just adding a little bit of dimension. I feel like you can already see the difference between the two eyes. Very pigmented as well, and like I said, doing something like this just adds a little bit more of a 3D effect, so we're not so static. Super pretty. That one we'll save for another day. I'm going to go ahead and go into my lower lash line with the darkest taupe shade. It's a good match for my lipstick, too. I know that I have to start listing the lipstick that I wear down below because you guys always ask, so I'm going to start doing that. Now I'm going to go in on the lid with this sparkly shade here on the end. It's kind of, oh, it's squishy. It's like a beautiful champagne color without too much gold or silver, so it's like a very neutral. I don't know if it's because I have the eyeshadow primer on or if it's the formula of this eyeshadow, but it goes on almost like it's a almost like it's a cream. Very, very pigmented. It does seem a little creamy in the pan-ish. Like, do you guys see how much pigment is coming on my eye when I do this? I like to do a little half moon, like almost like a half cut crease from the center. And then I'm just going to go back and go in with the taupe and that pink mixed and just add a little bit more over the outer corner because I like that part to remain matte. Okay. Very nice, very beautiful colors, very pigmented. I have nothing bad to say about that at all. There also is a mascara. It's Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. I'm really going to be taking one for the team here for you guys because I hate waterproof mascara with a burning passion because it's like you don't need it unless you're in the water. And it's mad hard to get off. But nonetheless, I'll try it out for you guys. I've tried lots of Milk makeup before. It is a really good brand. I do like their stuff, and I've tried their Kush mascara. I feel like it just had different packaging. I don't know if it's the same or maybe it's blue because it's waterproof. I'm just going to put a little bit on the lower lash. Look at my mirror. Will you guys do me a favor and let me know if you like this head-on setup better with, like, my desk behind me? Because normally I'm, like, over here and the wall is behind me. But I did something a little different today. I wasn't sure if the mirror in the background was going to distract you, like, because you can see a little bit of movement in it. So if you guys could let me know, that would be great. Typical mascara. I've never been a huge mascara person. I really like the Too Faced better than Sex mascara. But other, than that, I have, eyelash extensions, so it's just my lower lashes. It's a good mascara, that's all I can really say about it. Let's move on to the next thing. I'm just gonna grab what I see in front of me. This is the Peach and Lily, well, let's see, that, mascara was $24, so we're at like $80 already. So then we have the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser for $28. Cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. So I guess deep cleans and soothes. Is it weird that whenever I read cleanser, I'm like, is this like meant to take your makeup off with, or is it meant to wash your face with? I can never figure it out. So sometimes I'll use them to take my makeup off. Really pretty, like, basic skincare packaging, which I like. Deep cleanse and soothe sounds good. Dispense a dime-sized amount of product, lather with water, and apply to face. Rinse with warm water and dry. It can be used AM or PM. So it sounds like it's more of just like a face wash rather than there's like a spike in there, so I'll wait to take that off until I want to use it. But it sounds like it's more of a regular facial cleanser rather than taking off your makeup, so I'm happy that we have that. Is this the last thing? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the last thing. This is the Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. Resurfaces skin in 5 to 10 minutes. $45. Whoa, our box is almost $200. This little bad boy is what did I say, 45? Yeah, it's pretty expensive. Let's see. Oh, very cute. I love this packaging. That's very cute. I wonder if we can see it. Oh, there's a spiky on this too. I'm going to peel it off because I want to see if it's orange. It is orange. It's orange. Oh my God, it smells like pumpkin spice. This is going to be so calming to use like in the fall. I feel like fall times can get super stressful with work and just everything that's going on, and getting into the fall spirit because fall has like Thanksgiving and pumpkins, and it's like to me it's like a different era, different kind of, it's like a season-y, it's the seasiest season of them all, and this will really help. Like imagine lighting like a pumpkin spice candle, putting this on, taking a bath, and drinking like pumpkin spice warm tea if you like that, which I don't, but it just sounds good. So I'm probably the most excited for this and then this palette. So I'm very, very happy with this month's box. I think the eyeshadows are super beautiful. We can always use a mascara. This thing really excites me, and then the primer was very, very good, so I'm excited to use it, and then this is just something that we can always use. So I think we had a good mix of products. I don't know where to put them because my desk is all messy, so is that one. I think we had a good mix of products this month, like skincare, makeup, so I'm very happy with it. You guys have to let me know what you think. My box came earlier this month than it has been for the last couple months, which is great. Give this video a thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what box you got, what box you wish you got, which variation you wish you got. I'm always interested in reading your opinions. I'm going to do my very best to stop being the worst YouTuber on the face of the earth, because I love filming videos and I almost forget until I do it again, you know? And I used to make a lot of money off YouTube, and I don't make any anymore, and I need to get back into it because I love to do it, and I used to make money off of it. It's just on a personal note. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys down below. Bye.